Next is I'll tell you how to take a screenshot. That is very simple. I'll tell you how to take a screenshot. Means just how we can take a screenshot in a file. Okay?
Okay.
Take screenshot.
Oh.
Okay. Now see. What I'll do, I'll simply open a URL and take a screenshot. That's it. Okay, now
Okay.
why we need to take a screenshot, that we need to understand. What is the importance of taking a screenshot? So in real time, there may be a scenario in which you have to compare the screenshots. Okay, in
Mm.
real time, there may be a scenario in which you have to compare the screenshot. In that scenario, you'll be using this screenshot thing. You'll take a screenshot, there will be a screenshot in a local in certain place, there you have to compare it. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Now just to take a screenshot. Okay. Just to take a screenshot, what I did, await paste.screenshot, path screenshot.png. Now if I write
Okay.
path screenshot.png, so what will happen? It will take your screenshot inside this folder only. Inside the folder in which I am, it will take. Inside test I am, it will take screenshot in the tester.
Mm-hmm.
As I'm not giving any specific path, it will take inside screenshot. Let's say if I want to take it inside files. So what I'm doing here, I'm importing path from path. We have already discussed, right? Path, how to use it
Mm.
and all. So I'm creating a file path, which is what? Joining directory name. Directory name means the current directory which I'm in test. Then it is
Mm-hmm.
doing what? The cd dot program is coming out and is coming to Playwright March batch. Then from there I'm going to files folder. Once I went to file folder, from there I'm going to screenshot.java. Okay, so that path I'm giving here. So it will create a for screenshot inside this files folder under the name screenshot.png. I can give other name also. Let's say compare bash screenshot, whatever name I can want, it can give. Now run it. So now it will create a screenshot in the
Mm.
file folder with this name base screenshot.png. See, one screenshot is created
Okay.
here, base screenshot.png.
Uh,
So if you open that,
yes.
it is the same screenshot which we
Okay. Mm-hmm.
for the URL. Now, in real time, what will happen? Here we take a 2K screenshot, but in real time, there will be a screenshot. Your test case will say that you match the screenshot. You match the screenshot that this screenshot is same as the screenshot which we want as expected. So what will happen? You have a screenshot already present here. Okay, base screenshot. In real time, there will already be a screenshot. So what now that will tell that you take a screenshot and match that screenshot is matching on that. Okay. So for that, what we'll do. So while taking the screenshot also, there can be one more argument, full page true. So here the screenshot what it is taken is only half page. It is not taken the full page.
Okay. Yeah.
right? It is taking the half page.
Yes.
Why? Because it has, if you scroll means it will come full page, right?
Yes.
That means, let me tell you what I'm telling. Just go there, Control C, Control V. So it will take screenshot of this much only. It will take screenshot of this much only, but this much only. But full page means this will take this also, which is not appearing. It will just check if it take only
Hmm.
screenshot, it will take screenshot of which are appearing currently. But if I take full screenshot means it will take the screenshot of this also, which are below, which comes after scrolling. Okay, so if I run it, now you will see what will the screenshot. Uh, Now if you'll see the screenshot,
Mm-hmm.
see it has taken the full page now.
Yeah. Okay.
Understood? Understood.
Yeah. Yes.
Now what happened in real time, you already have a screenshot, best screenshot. Now you will take a screenshot and compare with the best screenshot. So let's do that. This you understood how to take a screenshot. Okay.
Yes.
Now we'll do one thing to compare screenshot. Here you compare screenshot. Okay, this I am writing because just to take screenshot. This is not required. We already have a screenshot. Next, what I can do? I can take a screenshot. Here I need not to store anything because I already have a screenshot. Okay. So what I'll do? Await paste.screenshot. This file path and all is there. So just what I'll do, await,
Okay.
expect. First I have to use expect. Always paste the
Uh,
screenshot to match snapshot file path. Okay. So here let me
okay.
take full page also. Here also let me take full page is equal to true. Full page true. I'll compare the whole page with the whole page, right? I already have a whole page screenshot here that I need to compare
Yes.
with the current screenshot which I'm taking. So I'll also take full page here. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. So just run it. See, one failed.
Actually, mm,
Why one failed? Because in comparing, it will compare a single pixel also. So here actually it would have failed in that point only. Expect here. That means it will compare single pixel to pixel. So if there is a single mismatch also, it will fail. If there is a single mismatch also, it will fail. So what we will do, we can introduce a parameter that you just ignore those single small pixel value. So while comparing, even though it's a full screenshot, it is taking again a full screenshot. Generally, what will happen while taking full screenshot, there will certain pixel mismatch. Exactly, it will not be the same. So that's why we can introduce that. Okay, you just ignore 0.2 pixel mismatch. Means till 0.2, if one is 1, one is 0.8, then you make it okay. Ignore that
okay.
certain pixel mismatch. Okay.
Okay.
Still also, I cannot say it will pass or not because in this particular site, how much pixel mismatch is happening, I don't know. But let's try. So if you need, you can give more value also.
Okay.
If you want to ignore 0.3 pixel mismatch, then you can give 0.3 also. Because it is scrolling and taking full screenshot, right? It may happen that every time it is not the same pixel is not getting scrolled. Okay. So we never
Okay.
know. Here also it failed. Okay. So generally you can go on increasing and will have a value where it will pass also. So this I cannot decide for this URL. I don't know because I can in real time. What can you do? You can ask your developer. Yeah. Okay. So how much pixel mismatch can happen if I scroll? If they tell 0.5, then you can use it and make it pass. Okay.
Hmm.
Here I don't know how much it is passing or failing, so I cannot give the exact value. Just I am doing hit and run. But this is the method in which you can actually compare two screenshots. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So just let's run it. Let's see it's passing or not. But this is the way you will be doing in real time. Okay.
Okay.
So this is all about how to take a screenshot, how to compare screenshots. See, this folder, this one created here only. Did
Hmm.
comparison. So if you go, the file which click for the second time, which it will be comparing. Actually, this it is comparing with the base file, right? So it created here. As I have not given any path, it created in the current directory only. Understood? Here,
Yeah.
uh, just close this. Okay. Data does just close. Here I have not given any path, right? I just told take screenshot, paste the screenshot. Just like I have not given any path here. So if you don't give path means it will create the file in the current directory only. I'm inside test folder. So it is getting the one in test folder. Understood?
Hmm.